Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Now click on this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner of your chat window. Finally, you can tap on your photos right away or select Gallery section, tap on them over here and click on Add at the top right corner. You can also click on Gallery, select Folders, and look for your photos over here by tapping on one of the available apps, one of the available sources at the top left corner, or simply clicking on Images at the top and holding the ones that you wish to add. Lastly, click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!